Asia food specialist here. I wanna go visit that place. I hope it's not that expensive. See? I'm gonna buy this one. Baby milk fish. It's 56 kroner. Oh, it's so cold. I think you should buy this though, huh? Because you like hot pepper.
Yeah, maybe that one.
It's 20 kroner for that. Tukas okra. Oh, buy me this.
What is it?
Okra, this is like a Filipino, like this. It's so nice if you boil it, something like that. This I wanna have. Oh my god, how much is it? 60. 60 plus 10, ha? 70 na. And how much is this steamer you got here?
It's 35.
Oh my gosh. Patak Space Indian. Whoa, they got this Thai grill there. You know, Fim, she got that.
I don't know how it works.
You just maybe put it on top of put it there. No, you put the you know, the charcoal there, and on top you just...
It's not seasoned for that, huh?
Yeah, but you can maybe do it inside. Curling fuller. So chicken feet. 18 kroner. Wait lang.
Maybe you should go get
Kimchi. I've never tried it before. I don't know if it tastes good. Oh, I'm gonna have this one. Okra. Oh, they got rice. 30 kroner for that.
How much is this one? I'm just curious.
What is this? Coconut milk? Oh, 69 kroner per 2,900 grams. If you think about it, it's cheap. Is it? Bamboo shoots.
See if you can find the...
Don't annoy me or else I will Shang die. The black vinegar.
What is this?
I don't know.
Soybean
Soya bean?
sauce. Weird.
Maybe that's used for some sushi. Not, I don't know. Pad Thai? Sweet and sour sauce. Luncheon meat.
I think this is a Maggie.
What? Oh yeah, that's the Maggi.
That's the one we got. The one that was bigger, right?
Yeah, the one we got is in a
Also,
glass
this one's
and
also
big.
Seasoning sauce also. Black pepper sauce. I want that one.
Whoa, for your steak, 19 kroner for that. Nice. Pad Thai? What is pad? Pad. But I don't think.
Is that the mango on there?
No. I don't know because it's Chinese.
Oh, you got the Maggie up
Yeah, but I still got a lot.
No, rice?
Yeah,
Are those two different or it's the same?
I don't know. Oh, tamarind. Hoisin sauce. It's what is it? Cool Lingus brand. What is?
That's the brand. Normally that's
Sriracha chili sauce.
normally that's the one, but I don't actually like them. Normally.
No, I don't like them too. But my God, I did not expect it's just here. What is this?
It's
Get it now.
you can see that we have to add. Can,
Maybe you need to
it's
be.
only for-
Maybe you need to be a member too.
Oh, yeah.
My God. The chili paste with soya bean though. But we don't need that. Ah, nindot ka. First time na ako diri dapit. See?
Says when you give a chili in it.
Yeah, like with spices already. But I still got. And I just put it myself.
What about the other one? They don't got the two.
No. It's like a special something. Oh my God, that puti. And this one is like cocoa oil. Oh my gosh. Oh.
You already got it here with calamansi.
What is that?
Calamansi, what is calamansi? That's
Yeah, I know but soy
soy
sauce?
sauce. Soy sauce with calamansi.
No, doesn't matter. I got one. It really shows here. Philippines ka sauce.
Disneyland Maya.
Like, I'm so happy now we know where exactly to buy. What is this? Meat sauce also dong. I don't know if it's something for you.
Oh,
No.
this is enough. I wanted to buy actually some more of this, but
What is that? No. You. I mean, we
know,
can.
different kinds. You
But-
got the green, you got this one.
No. We can always come back here,
This
right?
is Pangan. This is normally the normal cake. That's the most famous.
Yeah, but then where are you buying the red?
I know.
We go for the famous one because we're famous.
Wait, I'll put it back before I have so hammer in your face.
What? What?
Hammer.
I don't know. Return it to your mother. Oh. This is all the weird drinks though. Maybe you want something.
Yeah, but I got you into
Oh.